Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've had this box sitting here in my kitchen for like, I don't know, like a week and a half maybe. Haven't opened it. I don't know how I've had that self-control. It's not exactly self-control. I think it's more like I've just been too fucking tired to do this shit. But now finally I'm deciding to sit here and open this because Christmas is in 2 days. There's no reason why I shouldn't have opened this yet. All right. And obviously it's been so long since I checked the spoilers, I don't even know. What's in here? What's in here? What's going on? All right. Okay, we got something by Pretty Vulgar. The Powder Room, Matte About It. Translucent setting powder. Okay. I don't know about setting powders. Oh my god. Oh, comes with a little powder puff. Some setting powders are like wonderful and then other ones are just like Flashback City. This one, oh! I'm looking at it and it's not like white. That's a good sign. Okay. And I love the packaging. Look at how cute that is. All right, adorbs. This is Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Okay. Apply a generous amount to clean, damp skin. Massage onto skin using a circular motion. Leave on skin for 15 minutes and gently rinse with warm water and pat dry. Can be used up to 3 times a week. I feel like I have a lot of masks that I just haven't gone through from various, mostly Ipsy, I think. I always use my sheet masks like right away, but I have a lot of clay masks and exfoliating whatevers that I've used, but I haven't used them all. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna try this out today, but that's cool. It's a big thing of it too. I'll be using this for the next year. Ooh, we have a Tartist Shimmering Lip Paint. Hello, honey. This is in the shade Insta Famous. People ask me often like what my favorite makeup brand is, and I feel like I've never been disappointed by Tarte. Do you see this? Oh my god. So stinking pretty. It looks like it's more like a lip gloss. Ew, I don't like the smell of it though. It's really like, oh my god. It's just like a sparkly lip gloss. Oh yes. I always have room for these in my collection. But yeah, it smells like cocoa butter, and when I was pregnant with my daughter, as soon as I found out, I bought a thing of cocoa butter, and like before I got morning sickness, I was like using it every day. And then once morning sickness hit, I was just like, the smell of cocoa butter like grossed me out. So I had an aversion for it through my whole pregnancy, and it never went away. Like, I can't stand the smell of cocoa butter, and that's exactly what this smells like, but it's really pretty. I guess I have to use it. This is Bodyography Heatherberry Lip Pencil. So is this supposed to be like a lip liner? Oh, I guess so, huh? It's like a legit pencil. I never use lip liners. It's a really pretty color though. Can you use lip liners as just like a regular lipstick kind of shade? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out today. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll figure it out. All right. Last thing in here is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, by Suva Beauty. Never heard of it. It's called Protege. Oh god. Ooh, honey. Now, are these supposed to be like highlights? Because why are they bigger? It says eyeshadow palette on the back. Let's read this. 'Tis the season with a flamingo on it. It's a versatile, warm and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. Yes, ready. I'm so ready. Farts, man, they're so beautiful. And I love that there's the cool tone corner here and then like the darker one. Oh, well, that is everything in this palette today. I'm gonna go ahead and, well, since we got some lip stuff to try today, I'm gonna plump my lips. I know how you guys feel about that. You guys think I look like an ugly clown every time I do it, but you know what? Just let me do what makes me happy. Just let me live my life. And then I'm gonna put some foundation on, and then I'll be right back to try out this translucent powder. Okay, so while everything is wet on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and just do what I normally would do. So I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender and try under my eyes first. And then I've never tried one of these before, but sure, since it comes with it, let's just set the rest of my face with the powder puff. Oh yeah, forgot I bought them.
Do you want them? Right now?
So I don't know how much you can see on camera, but I do feel like the flashback is a little much. I also kind of packed it on, so like maybe if I used a lighter dusting of it next time. I need to eat this right now. Hashtag not spawns, but these are like little eggnog, Little Debbie snacks. Oh my god. Me and my husband have been hiding them from my daughter. Oh, they're so good. Anyway, I think it did all right with the rest of my face. So yeah, it's probably just one of those things I'm gonna have to learn to use. So let's move on then. Real quick, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some bronzer and blush on just to add something. This is unconventional for me, but since my lips are plump and they're gonna probably deflate kind of soon, I'm gonna try my lips right now before I do my eyes. Unusual, but I want to try this, what is this called? Lip liner. Does anyone else feel like lip liner is like a grandma thing? I don't know. I mean, they still make it, so I guess it's not, but. All right, everybody, it's a lip liner. I'm not very good at doing it either because I like never do it. As far as the color match goes, I have one. This one I think I got out of an Ipsy bag. It's by Ofra called, okay, yeah, Ipsy Unzipped. There you go. So it's kind of like a pinky color, so I chose that. Oh wait, let me finish my eggnog yummy first. All right, we can go now. There we go. Yeah, I just don't like lip liners. I don't understand the point of them, honestly. Not that I'm unhappy with the way it looks. I'm just like, meh, I can live my life without it. And then, of course, we have my angel. I already know I'm gonna love this. Deck of Scarlet sent me a lip gloss out of the 2 boxes of theirs I ever got, but I loved it. And it was very similar to this. So if this performs about the same way, I'm so happy to have this because the Deck of Scarlet one was kind of small and I was like, if I run out of this, I'm never gonna have it again. But now I know. So pretty. I love it. I love this. So now that we know I'm in love with a thing, let's move on to the fun stuff. I feel like I'm gonna be excited for this one too. As far as highlight goes, I'm just realizing now that this is all cool tone and this is all warm tone. I thought it was like little corners, but no, that doesn't make sense. Like, I know my color wheel, I'm just an idiot. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one for highlight. This is THRU is what it's called. Like, I always like to say I usually like to put on like a base for my highlight first, but also when I'm trying new highlights, I like to test it without a base to see how it performs. And honey, she performs quite good without a base. Yes, please. So, let's move on to my eyeballs. I'm gonna go ahead and just try the, I'm gonna try to put a cute little small look together with these top ones. Okay, so obviously I don't think I really have to say much here, but I love this palette. This reminds me a lot of like a mini Deck of Scarlet, like 3 here, 3 here. Comes with a highlight. Doesn't come with like a blush or lipstick, but like, I mean, it kind of has the looks kind of laid out for you. So you don't really have to think about it much, but you can like change it up a little bit if you want to be creative. But I kind of like just having it like, these are the looks we set for you, now just do it. It makes me not have to think so much, especially if I'm doing this like first thing in the morning. If I do my makeup, I'm like, I don't want to have to think about like what kind of look I'm doing on my own face. So that's a plus. Also, I already got some cream filling from my Little Debbie cake on there, so that's great. It's mine now for sure. No one else owns that palette, it's mine. So let's go over this price list here. First, our glitter lip paint. This goes for $20. I mean, I would much rather find a cheaper dupe for this because I feel like $20 for a lip gloss is a lot, but I do like it, and if there is nothing else like this in the world, then I would pay the $20 once I ran out of it. But there has to be something somewhere that's similar, right? Like with little sparklies and the same kind of like color. Seems a little expensive, but it is Tarte. Like that's what their regular lip paints go for, I think, right? Or is it like 24? I don't know. Anyway, so the lip liner is $12. Now that seems like a lot for a lip liner. Maybe not, maybe it's because I never buy lip liners, so like, I don't know. It's vegan, so there's that. It says it's infused with coconut oil and vitamin E, but to me, like it's, ew. It seems kind of dry. Like you'd think something that has coconut oil would like glide on, and I felt like I was just kind of like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This goes for $32. That's all right. I mean, like honestly, I've been buying the Fit Me powder from Maybelline for the past few months. Not few months, almost a year probably now because it's cheap. This, I think, comes close to the Laura Mercier formula and color-wise. I just would have to use a little less of it under my eyes because it does have more flashback than honestly I was expecting for one of this like color, if that makes sense. I would assume that it's going to keep my makeup in place quite well, so that's a plus. If I ever wanted to go for anything more expensive, like what is Laura Mercier, like 40? So like for an extra $8 you get like the top of the line kind of stuff. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of like meh, because you can't buy Pretty Vulgar in stores, can you? I don't know. I'd rather, like, if I'm running out, just like run to Sephora real quick and get some Laura Mercier, you know? I'm not sold on it particularly. It's one of those products that's like, is it worth it to spend more money or just go get the Fit Me? Like, is it really that big of a difference? Fit Me works just fine for me, so. And it doesn't give me crazy flashback like this. So, this mask is $30? It better be freaking good. Let's see. Detoxify your pores from daily grime with cosmetics activated charcoal mask. If this is some kind of miracle product, then great. Would I pay $30 for a freaking mask? No. I like sheet masks. This palette goes for $34. I think that's pretty fair because the pan sizes are decent, like especially the highlight, like that'll last you a minute. It's conveniently set up so you don't have to think too much in the morning when you're doing your makeup. I like that, and it performs well. So that's that. All right, guys, that was BoxyCharm for the month of December. And now usually this time I would do fridge wisdom, but y'all, we are just like running out. We're running out of room, we're running out of tiles. I think it's about to be time for season 3. So I'm gonna have to wipe it all up and put it all back together, and we'll come up with some new ones shortly. I hope you guys don't miss it too much, but give me a few weeks and we'll get it back up and running again. A little bit of housekeeping too. Thank you for everyone who's been watching my daily vlogs up until this point. I guess this video is gonna come out on Christmas, so first of all, if you're watching this even to this point, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are all staying safe and everything and you're enjoying yourselves. But today is the 23rd and I feel like I'm at this point where I'm so like stressed out over the holidays that I cannot continue my daily vlogs, like for my mental health, okay? It's been a lot. It's been a lot of work, and I don't want to sit here and be like, I'm depressed, but I kind of am. I mean, and I don't think it's because it's the holidays. I think it's just generally there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on in my life, and I do so very much appreciate everyone who has watched them every single day, because I know a very small percentage of my audience was watching them. I'm sorry, like the past few days you haven't seen a vlog from me. It's just too much for me right now. I have days off and I'm just like, I don't want to fucking do anything. I've been working my ass off. So that's kind of how I feel. And yep, I don't want to sound like a cop-out, but I'm done. But thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and stay safe, stay happy and jolly. Don't be an asshole to retail workers, please, dear God. Don't be an asshole to anyone. Okay, I'll talk to you guys. Well, I guess I'll see you next week. Bye.